We now access the NADA web portal and log in using the administrator credentials. The portal interface provides a clean, intuitive layout that allows administrators to navigate seamlessly through multiple cataloging functions. Next, we proceed to the Site Administration section, the central control hub of NADA, where all catalog, user, and metadata settings are managed. Here we see the main administration dashboard, which includes modules for studies, citations, users, and system settings. This is where we'll create a new Microdata catalog, a structured repository for survey metadata and datasets. Each module ensures transparency, compliance, and traceability of every data entry. We now move to the process of adding microdata. Under the Manage Catalog menu, we navigate to Study Central Data Catalog Add Study. This step initiates the creation of a new metadata entry within the catalog. Each microdata package follows a well-defined folder structure, typically including subfolders for data, documentation, programs, and metadata files such as RDF and XML. This organized structure ensures interoperability and consistency across datasets. We upload the RDF and XML metadata files to define survey-level information, such as dataset title, country, year, and methodology. Once submitted, the NADA interface automatically creates a structured microdata entry in the catalog. Next, we upload all associated resource files, including survey questionnaires, technical reports, manuals, and codebooks. These supporting documents provide researchers and policymakers with complete context for interpreting the data. A representative thumbnail image is added to visually identify the dataset. This enhances catalog presentation and improves search visibility on the NADA homepage. Once all files are uploaded and verified, we publish the dataset. Publishing makes the catalog entry publicly accessible, enabling open data dissemination while preserving access control policies defined by the administrator. NADA allows automatic generation of a comprehensive metadata documentation PDF. Through this implementation, our team has not only installed and configured NADA successfully, but also customized it to meet the requirements of the Government of Odisha, ensuring transparency, accessibility, and automation in data management.